Blockchain implementation in companies. We'll concentrate precisely on how numerous of these sectors are formally starting to apply the blockchain in their business scheme, in which bones are working to apply it in the short term and, eventually, in what other aspects it's anticipated that, in the future, the blockchain will have a significant impact in different areas of society. A cryptocurrency can be defined as a digital medium to which a certain value is assigned and which can be used as an exchange. These types of currencies use cryptography to validate and cover all their deals. Cryptocurrencies that have a real original value, or that can be used as a real currency, are known as convertible, Bitcoin being the most egregious case of convertible currency. Some of the advantages and results handed by cryptocurrencies are barring the printing of plutocrat, giving people control of their own plutocrat, barring third parties and helping people without access to means of payment. Cryptocurrency exchanges are online platforms where we can buy cryptocurrencies or change them with each other. They would be the original to the classic stock exchange or currency exchange centers, for illustration. Within these exchanges there are different types depending on a series of characteristics: traditional, cryptocurrency brokers and direct trading. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies and numerous of them were inspired by or indeed directly uprooted from the Bitcoin law. Inclusively, these descendants of Bitcoins are known as altcoins or indispensable cryptocurrencies. The relationship between blockchain and the healthcare sector is one that can and in numerous cases formally does bring veritably positive effects to the healthcare sector itself and therefore, directly, to people. One of the first effects in which blockchain can help the healthcare sector is in working the serious problem it suffers in the form of security breaches. Still, it isn't the only sector where it can give results to being sins. Other exemplifications are medicinals, healthcare institutions and providers, and consumer-provider connections. The transportation and logistics sector is one of the sectors that can profit the most from all the advantages that blockchain brings. Still, due to lack of collaboration within this sector, it's causing its relinquishment to be important slower than would be anticipated. Despite this, there are formally colleges similar as Global Shipping Business Network, formed by 9 companies: CMA-CGM, Costco Shipping Lines, Evergreen Marine, Oracle and Yang Ming, DP World, Hutchison Anchorages, PSA International and Shanghai International Port, that aim to ameliorate speed, translucency, collaboration and promote digitization through the use of blockchain. The biggest pain points that blockchain can address in the TANDL assiduity are control over the origin of goods, end-to-end shadowing, and tab and payment operation. The future of data storehouse is decreasingly on blockchain, not so important because it's still cheaper than the services we've moment, but because it's collaborative. The biggest benefits that cloud storehouse can take advantage of from the use of blockchain are drastic reduction in functional cost, sequestration, redundancy and open source. But creating a true sharing frugality isn't about dealing but about sharing. The problem with the participating frugality is that there are many large companies that dominate the request. While these companies give a decent stoner interface to connect people, people cannot communicate with each other outside of the platform without violating the terms of service. The peer-to-peer connection that blockchain enables eliminates the need for a mediator like Uber or Airbnb, which controls stoner identity and sale data, which, in turn, would allow for reduced or indeed excluded freights for these interposers. This allows those with commodity to partake to connect directly with those who want or need to adopt. The parties agree on the price and transfer it securely in cryptocurrencies. The military sector is another major player in society that's enforcing blockchain with different pretensions. Some of them are military drones. The confluence of AI and blockchain with drone technology creates redoubtable possibilities in military operations. Battleships. Decentralization of battleship munitions control is a crucial advancement in current military strategy with respect to security. Blockchain technology can also break some of the problems with fidelity programs encountered by traditional commerce by connecting possessors and druggies of multiple programs. Through blockchain, druggies can admit and redeem fidelity commemoratives that are interoperable across multiple programs. These commemoratives no way expire or lose value, unlike traditional price points. There are companies like Singapore Airlines, whose frequent leaflet program KrisFlyer would now be reinvented as KrisPay, a kilometer-grounded digital portmanteau that members could use to convert those same kilometers into a form of digital payment at other merchandisers.